Hi friends, a new template is under review, so download the project from the link in the description. Go to the folder, click here, and jump into After Effects. Here we find 3 folders: the final render, the project folder, and the cover replacement folder. Let's start with the cover replacement. Go to the cover folder. I have already prepared it for testing. Drag it over here, take the Move tool, or rather Transform, and transform our cover while holding the Shift key. Something like this will be great. Okay, we can delete the lower one. Next, go to the final render folder and check that everything is in place. The cover has changed, and the background too. Great! We just need to change our text. We see that the text layers are duplicated, meaning artist name twice and track name twice. We select track name here and enter any name we want, like this. Next, to avoid typing it twice, we press Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C, click on the layer below, and Ctrl-V. Just paste it. Excellent. The same with artist name. If your cover has lighter shades or, on the contrary, only dark ones and the text will be hard to read, here is the blending mode, Overlay. You see, right? We just change it to normal. Next, to change the color of our text, we select it like this, and here, where the palette is, we choose the shade we need. Okay, that's settled. Next, look, we have copyright text here in this shape. It's mostly for aesthetics, it doesn't carry any meaning. If you like it, keep it. If not, you can hide the copyright text and the shape here, and it won't be in the final animation. It turns out clean like this. I'll leave it. Next, we have light footage, light from behind, and light footage. Let's go to the light footage. We see these red flares here. So, we go to the light footage. By default, the project will be open. We need effect controls. And here we just move this slider. So if the cover were blue, we would leave this shade. Now, it is red. Excellent. Let it be so. The light in the back is the same. We have the same dial here. So we edit all this to match the color of the cover. I have these beige shades here. So that's how it is. And the outline of the cover. You see, right? This white outline here, by default, it's white for me, even if the cover is red, because I like it that way. But it can also be changed. Here, we click on the palette and change any shade. So next, we go to the final render folder. We need to upload our track here and render it. Let me show you how I do it. I already have a test clip. We load it and we see that our track is a bit shorter than the animation itself. So we hold this slider, press the Shift key, and snap it here like this. And we see that below we have a darkening layer. It has 2 such keys. They might be hidden here. So we click on this arrow. This is the opacity effect. And the last key should align where our track ends, like this. I will mute the audio so it doesn't interfere with the video recording. Let's check. At the end, there should be a fade out. Like this. Excellent. Next, once we have completely changed everything, our animation is ready. In the final render folder, we click File, Export. Here is the render, right here, and we click here. We don't change anything here. Everything is by default. These are the settings I have. You can pause and save them if yours are different. Okay, click here. Choose a location on the computer to save. Here, the file type is MP4. And I hope I helped you. Check out my other videos on the channel. There you will find track covers, animation templates, and design resources. You can download the project via the link in the description. Thank you.